Hello everyone, this is a requested video. One of my subscribers, Ishan Sharma, wrote, Bhaiya, I am a beginner of watercolor and acrylic. But whenever I paint something with watercolor and acrylic on drawing book, then my paper gets starts to get bumps and my paper tears. Even I'm not able to layer with watercolor or with acrylic in my drawing book. What can I do? And I'm not having too much money to buy canvas board. So today in this video, I'm going to solve this query. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First, answer me, what's the use of buying very expensive paints if you lack skills and practice? There's no use. Yes, I have seen many YouTubers having very expensive paints, but if you will look at their drawings, they are very childish drawings. बहुत बच्चा वाला drawings होते हैं. So it does not matter. The only thing that matters are your skills, okay, and practice. Okay, so let's move to the question. So, according to me, if you will ask me that what I use, actually, personally, I don't use canvas boards. Yes, I have canvas boards, but I personally don't use because I don't like them. Okay, so you can use this art paper. This is of rupees 10. This is like chart paper, but this is little thicker than the ordinary chart paper. Normal chart paper is of 5 rupees, and this chart paper is of 10 rupees. So you can buy this. The drawing which you are seeing in the background, that is the bright drawing, is made with poster colors and in that paper only. So you can make it in so you can divide this paper in 4 parts and do. You can cut it with a scale. So this art paper, if you will go to any stationery shop, you can buy this paper. This is of rupees 10. So this is very good, and I personally use this paper. This is my favorite. I personally use this paper very much. So this is very good. So you can buy this paper. This is very good. And one tip for you, always use your brushes very gently. Move the brushes very gently on the paper. Otherwise, everything will be peeled off. Okay, so the second paper which you can use in place of a canvas board is this, that is handmade paper. The cost of this is 20 rupees. So you'll get at 20 rupees, matlab, एक full like chart paper you will get. I have cut it in pieces, 4 pieces. So this handmade paper, this is also very good. Actually, canvas is also made from this paper, that is from handmade paper. If you will clearly notice, then you can see these fine lines. Okay, in camera it is not visible, but if you will see by your naked eyes, then you can notice that this paper is very much similar to canvas. But if you will personally ask me that which is more good, that this art paper or this paper, handmade paper, then I will surely say that art paper is my favorite. It is cheaper also and my favorite also. I have made much drawings on that paper also. Okay, so the third is drawing book. Okay, so you said that in drawing book you get bumps. Actually, the only thing which I've told you, that don't move your brushes too harder. Move your brushes very gently on the surface of paper. Otherwise, your paper will, otherwise the fiber of your paper will just peel off. Move your brush very gently on the paper. Okay. So I use this also. This I have done much more drawings in this also. So in all these three, my favorite is art paper. 10 rupees wala paper. This is my favorite. My personally, I like this paper. So that's all for today. I hope you must have find the video useful.